We're back at the fairgrounds today after the horsepower rodeo, which was an amazing event put on by Westen down here. We race down here, figure 8 races, so today we're getting this place cleaned up so we can be ready for our race next weekend. Horsepower rodeo, that was a pretty epic event for this facility. Love seeing that come in here. But now it's time to get the track ready so we can go dirt track figure 8 racing back here next weekend. And I'm not complaining, it's just part of the job, but get all this rubber picked up, a few little chunks of asphalt. The arena really looks pretty good for running asphalt in here. And then a week later, we're out here picking up all the little chunks. It's amazing how different an arena looks just after an event. But this place was packed for that horsepower rodeo. And the horsepower rodeo, they did an amazing job of cleaning this facility up, getting it done. And when we come in, we do this every week when we race, where get the track ready, prep, basically live down here. That's why there's campers behind me. Tony pretty much lives here. Not sure why that tire went flat. If you're missing one, let me know. Not going too bad. Got this area right here cleaned up. Looking way better. There's still a lot over here. Then you got Tony over there. He's working north into south. That's the boss man. And see, that's the type of boss you want. The one that gets in the arena and works with you. It's looking good. Never know what you're gonna find doing this. Focus. Someone might need that. Got the arena cleaned up. Scotty's gonna box plate it. Tony's picking up the trash, but it looks pretty decent right now. It's supposed to rain all week though. We'll see how this goes. And they told me to hop on the skid steer. That's a bad idea. I haven't driven a skid steer in years, but we'll figure it out. Got a bunch of ruts and stuff they want knocked down. I might mess it up worse. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's just dirt, right? They say it's like driving a lawnmower. I own a push mower, so we might be in trouble. Figure this thing out. Okay, that goes down. That goes down. Seatbelt. Definitely gonna need a seatbelt. Oh. Okay, there's that. Buttons. Oh boy. Okay. We got that. Park brake. Push that button, maybe. Oh. Assist control. Ha! Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh. Okay. Guess I need both hands. Let me figure this out. Well, we got it moving. That's a bonus. Now I'll go see if we can find some ruts to fix. Oh, this is a terrible idea, but it's so much fun. It was muddy last week and a lot of ruts, so we're just trying to knock them down. I'm not a skid steer operator, that's for sure, but I'm having fun. Got the track looking good, rolling it in. We're supposed to get some rain this week. So what we found is if we pack it tight, a lot of the water doesn't soak in because this is river bottom soil. It doesn't like it collect water. So we get her packed in tight, let the water run off. Hopefully next weekend, Mother Nature's nice to us and we can have some figure 8 races down here. Thanks for following along. Hopefully this gives a little insight of what Old Skool Productions we actually do back here behind the scenes to get up to race night. There was a huge event here. That contract company, they did an amazing job of getting the grounds cleaned up, all the trash out of here. The arena wasn't in terrible shape considering it had asphalt on it a week ago. But we're back to dirt. Next weekend, figure 8 race. Mother Nature helps us out. Thank you guys for watching.